Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where today we take you on an exclusive tour of one of the most spectacular estates available. Nestled in the heart of location, this luxury home boasts timeless beauty, modern amenities, and over X acres of landscaped grounds. From its rich history to its luxurious features, every inch of this property speaks of elegance and grandeur. As we enter through the grand front doors, you're greeted by an open, inviting space. The entryway sets the tone with its soaring ceilings, intricate architectural details, and the exquisite blend of black and gold that runs throughout the home. This stunning foyer leads directly into the heart of the house. Here, in the living room, we find the perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. The expansive space is filled with luxurious, yet cozy furniture and large windows that let in natural light. With the room's black and gold accents, this is a space that is designed for both relaxing and entertaining. Whether it's an intimate evening or a gathering with friends, the living room offers everything you need. Moving into the formal dining room, you'll notice the elegant lighting and beautiful decor. The centerpiece here is the large dining table, surrounded by black and gold chairs, creating a space perfect for hosting lavish dinner parties or intimate family meals. The gorgeous chandelier overhead adds the finishing touch to this extraordinary space. Next, we step into the chef's kitchen. With top-of-the-line appliances, sleek black and gold cabinetry, and stunning marble countertops, this space is a culinary dream. Whether you're cooking for family or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen is fully equipped for every occasion, combining both style and practicality. Adjacent to the kitchen is the family room, offering a more relaxed and comfortable atmosphere. Featuring plush seating, modern design, and a cozy ambiance, this room is the ideal space for spending quality time with loved ones. Once again, the black and gold theme continues, creating a sense of continuity and elegance throughout. Now, let's head to the master suite, your private sanctuary. This spacious bedroom is an oasis of luxury, featuring a king-size bed, an expansive layout, and floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the property's landscaped gardens. The black and gold decor continues here, providing a calming yet elegant retreat. Connected to the master bedroom is the luxurious en-suite bathroom, designed to provide a spa-like experience. With dual vanities, a large soaking tub, and a walk-in glass shower, this bathroom is all about relaxation and style. The high-end fixtures and marble finishes bring an added touch of luxury. For those who prioritize fitness, this property also includes a fully equipped home gym. With state-of-the-art equipment and plenty of space to move, it's the perfect place to keep active in the comfort of your own home. The black and gold accents continue, ensuring this gym is as stylish as it is functional. Stepping outside, the backyard offers an incredible space for relaxation and entertainment. The large swimming pool glistens under the sun, surrounded by meticulously landscaped gardens. The swing set adds a charming touch to this outdoor oasis, while the black and gold outdoor furniture elevates the entire space. Of course, no estate of this caliber would be complete without a spacious garage to match. This garage offers ample room for several luxury vehicles, and its sleek design, including black and gold elements, ensures that even this functional space exudes luxury. From every angle, this estate is an embodiment of sophistication, elegance, and luxury. Whether you're hosting a grand event, enjoying a quiet evening with family, or simply taking in the beauty of your surroundings, this home offers the perfect environment for living the dream. If you'd like to learn more about this incredible property, or schedule a private tour, be sure to visit our website. Thanks for joining us today on American Dream Mansions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive tours of the world's most luxurious homes. Until next time, we'll see you in your dream home.